Hello, colleagues and tutor. My name is Wayra Giraldo Cardona. This video corresponds to the theoretical and practical course Integral Pedagogical Practice for Phase 1. We are asked for a video explaining our point of view about the document Regulation of Pedagogical Practice. So, let's start. First, it is important to highlight that the university's mission is to contribute to education for all. For this, the Council of the School of Educational Science, through the most recent agreement 078 of 2022, established a specific regulation of pedagogical practices. There we see consigned 24 agreements related to the duties, rights, principles, evaluation, grounds for rejection, actors of the academic network, requirements, and other relevant information for those of us who are developing the practical route of any of the degrees offered by the university. In general, it seems to me very organized and clear document, though to have the same definitions to promote better communication among the educational community. However, there are some articles with which I do not agree, such as Article 12. I do not agree with this article. I consider that a pedagogical practice, as it is developed in the different areas defined in the curriculum, are an excellent opportunity to obtain experience in the labor field. However, if the person already has this experience, I consider it should not be mandatory. Moreover, if the person managed to find work as a teacher without having finished the career, it should be able to be homologated, or that the student can apply their knowledge in this same space. From my experience, I have seen that sometimes when there are so many students developing the internship route, it lends itself to misunderstandings in the information. I believe that for all courses it should be the same, since they must be done under equal conditions in the assigned scenario. And also, when the student has enrolled in several courses of this modality, it tends to be confused. The information tends to be confused. On the other hand, Article 23 says that the time the students as labor practice must be certified and will add time of professional experience of the practitioner, which seems excellent to me because it facilitates the process to access the labor field for students. I agree that this time is valued and guaranteed in this way. In conclusion, a good process must show traceability. There is a series of procedures that allow to follow the evolution process so that the results are tangible and significant. The agreements allow and help to have an order in the activities in which we participate, assisting the decision making and influencing the good course of things. It is important that as students we do our part to satisfactorily yes, I guess complete with the purpose of the university, which are clear and will lead us to our individual goals and have a better working condition. Okay, thank you for listening. This was all for this video, and until next time.